Hey, welcome back to Tymo Paints. And today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about backrolling stucco, in particular, backrolling two-story exterior stucco when painting. If you guys are interested in starting a paint business, I have a free paint biz cheat code. It's a step-by-step guide to getting started and a free estimating guide to get the perfect bid every single time. If you guys are interested in those, I'll leave them linked in the description and it'll be the pinned comment below. So here I had some help. This exterior job was a beast. It's a big old hog. And you have to backroll stucco, especially when the house is not been painted before. This had a color coating on it, which is a powder additive. So when doing that, I like to have a big extension pole. So go get a big extension pole. This is a Wooster 8 to 16 foot extension pole, raises out to about 16 feet, starts off at about 8 feet. And then get your extension ladder. But you got to backroll. You have to backroll. In this case, we actually sealed all of the stucco with the Sealcrete first, and this is a sealer and a primer, so if it gets on any wood or anything, you can just go ahead and paint right over it, as well as putting a top coat on. Then we back roll it in, we let it set up, we come back and we spray another coat on top of that, so it has two good solid coats to provide an even finish. We used a good quality paint. We like to use premium grade products anytime we paint exteriors. When painting an exterior two-story house, it's always nice to have an extension pole. We have an 8 to 16 foot extension pole here, and I have my buddy Eddie helping me back roll it. That way I could be on the ladder spraying, and he could be back rolling, and then I can come off the ladder, give it a chance to set up, and then we put a top coat on. If you guys are interested in starting a paint business, check the links below. I have a paint biz cheat code as well as a estimating sheet that'll help you guys get the perfect bid every single time. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.